Hey YouTube, it's me, I'm Unique, your favorite plus size queen.
I'm addicted to these bitches and I know, but I'm about the man, the money is the most. Tryna make me mad with a nigga out of net. Girl, that'll never work, but damn, I got you pressed.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another blunt thoughts video. And as you can tell by the title, we doing Slide Belief by NBA Youngboy. Let's get into it and see what little bro talking about. Sorry if I'm coughing. I'm kind of sick. I don't know if y'all can hear it. And I'm smoking, so I'm coughing. That's it. Sorry.
Youngboy ya? Youngboy.
Time out. Is that how y'all sell drugs? I don't know. I'm a little suburban child. Let me know, cause yeah, didn't know. It was just good like that.
Hey, Ma, what do? If you want to bad, you know how I rock it. They never could stop it. It's stuff in my pile. Go up for the store and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles and tears fall for the life. Inspired 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left.
Hey, if you're a young boy, you be rapping like, and you feel like you could feel it, like, I'm sorry I can't close my eyes. You feel like you could feel it, like, I don't know how to explain it.
I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the end. Now can you make it better? Chop out like yourself. Post a whip up. Hustling through the night, yeah. Feeling rock for stretch. With the hood up when we wear up. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. The road choice take your life, yeah. On top of the Nike print. From rich niggas kicking your back though. And they shit even rolling to niggas who own it. Who don't know a thing but trap though. New faces, I put that over neck. That shit that we sellin' that make you relax though. Thinking I'm sipping when up again.
I'm not gonna say it.
I put that love on the map, bro. Turn up on the beat when I'm gone out the work. They don't go fuck on the fast beat. Behind me, do the dance. You been up in the boat, you can take out the shit, you can't text me. What's the nigga throwing shots, ain't ask me. Drop up, tell a nigga get at me. Drop blood for a bitch, won't drop me for the.
You said y'all throwing shots like acne. Tell them, get at me. Get at me, bro. We could do it differently. You ain't gotta do all of the extras.
Body, then I give him a match for you. Got a pound in the corner, smoke on that. Let the stay for a show and I'm coming back. If he say he won't smoke, and I'm falling back. Want a bitch for the play, I'ma blow the strap. He ain't using his head, put it in his lap. He ain't bothered to tell that he on the rap. I just put what it.
He ain't using his hand, put it on his lap. Caption or what? Caption or what?
Bands inside the trap. Every manifestation I'm calling rap. Gang, can you make it better? Trap out like Rosetta. Post a with Beretta. Hustling through the night, yeah. Feel super for white, yeah. Hop out gun flash through the night, yeah. You know I'm rocking, you know that I'm with it. You loyal to me, I make sure that you get it. If you want to.
Hey, this whole song is full of captions. You rocking with me, I'm gonna make sure that you get it. Period. You gotta show me that you rocking with me though. It's not no iffy stuff.
Got it, you know how I rock it, they never could stop it. It's stuff in my pile, go up for the store and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles and tears fall for the life. Inspired 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the end and I'm fine. I'm throwing out, I come back, got a hole in the rest of the D on the back. Count up that money, I run up the stack. Born on the jet with an eagle strap. That shit that they talk, I can tell you was cap. Up off the X and I own it to cap. Stay in the job, I fall back from the top. What I have in my way, I'm a pass to swab. I feel like it ain't no bitch I can have. Gotta run boot with the fur like a When it's up, we sliding it, ducking from drugs. Taiwan, clockwise, down on the floor. No second, we hustle, we on it for real. We don't give it, we take it, you know what it is.
I don't know if be a young boy personally, but I feel like he really been through a lot as like a younger kid. You feel me? Like, and it like you can feel it through his music, and I just love it. I love it.
Can you make it better? Trap out like Rosetta. Post up with Beretta. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for stretch. With the hood up when we win. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When the road trucks take your life, yeah. Top of the night, you put it through. Niggas kicking your back, though. And they should give a roll to niggas who on it, who don't know a thing but trap, though. New faces, I put that over that. That shit that we sellin' don't make you relapse, though. Thinking I'm slipping when up and get clapped, though. I put that life on a map, though. God.
Hey, if your young boy said, thinking we slipping, run up and get capped. Period. Like, we ain't never slipping. None of that. None of that. Ready? That's out of here. Move that way. No, just play. Make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss none of my notifications. And so you go win some money. Look down in the description box. Go to my Instagram to see how you can enter that. Bye.